In this video, you'll learn how to edit a shared document in Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating with classmates, co-workers, or friends, being able to quickly jump into a document and make changes is one of the most useful features of Google Drive. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you know exactly what to do when someone shares a file with you. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. On your computer, go to your web browser and type in the Google Drive website, or open it from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're logged in with the account that received access to the document. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're using the right one, or you might not see the file you're expecting. Once Google Drive is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and possibly others such as Recent or Starred. To find documents that other people have shared with you, click on Shared with Me. This section collects all files and folders that have been shared to your account, even if you didn't create them yourself. After you click Shared with Me, you'll see a list or grid of files. These could be documents, spreadsheets, slides, or other types of Google files. Scroll through the list until you find the shared document you want to work on. If there are many items, you can use the search bar at the top and type the name of the document to locate it more quickly. When you see the correct file, simply click once on it to open it. The document will open in a new tab using the appropriate Google editor, such as Google Docs. Before you start typing, it's important to understand what level of access you have. Look near the top of the screen, usually under the document title, or click the Share button to see your permissions. If you have editor access, that means you can make direct changes to the content. You can type, delete, format text, and make any other edits you need. If you do have editor access, you can start editing the document right away. Click into the part of the text you want to change and begin typing just as you would in a normal word processor. You might add new paragraphs, fix spelling or grammar, update information, or adjust formatting. You'll often see a small saving indicator at the top of the page that quickly changes to All Changes Saved in Drive, which lets you know your edits are being recorded. One of the biggest advantages of using Google Drive is that changes save automatically. There's no need to look for a save button or worry about losing your work if you forget to click something. Every few seconds, Google updates the document in the background, so any changes you make are stored in real time. If other people are in the document at the same moment, they'll see your edits appear almost instantly. That's all you need to do. Open Google Drive, go to Shared with Me, open the shared document, and if you have editor access, start making your changes and let Google handle the saving for you.